Hey, thanks for joining. Today I'm asking, does this thing bring me joy? I'm sure most of you have heard of Marie Kondo and the KonMari Method. If not, a quick summary. Marie Kondo developed the KonMari Method for tidying up your home and decluttering. The concept is that you keep items that spark joy for you and discard everything else. It's a minimalistic and simplifying mindset that is effective for a lot of people and might resonate with you. Now, if you're thinking, Scott, you are crazy, then I get it. You're used to having your stuff. But how much of your stuff actually brings you joy, makes a positive impact to your life? Keep an open mind with this, and you may see the real benefits. Joining me today for this episode is Giselle from Florida. Thanks for joining me, Giselle. Fair enough, Giselle. You're a good sport about it, at least. Now, let's take a minute and talk about items that spark joy versus not, and add some realism. Your razor may not spark joy, but you need it to shave. Your lawnmower might not spark joy, but you'll end up with some curious looks for your neighbors and have yourself a hayfield without it. My point is, some things are necessities for daily life and home upkeep, etc. So these essentials should be excluded from the "does this bring me joy" line of questioning, if you will. Yes, of course, Giselle. So, what are some benefits of using the KonMari method to declutter, organize, and simplify your home space? Well, you'll create more space for yourself in your home. You'll have less things sitting around your home collecting dust because they aren't getting used. You can make a little or a lot of money selling items that don't spark joy for you. You can sell these items on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or some other site, or have a yard sale or garage sale if you have a lot of items you're letting go of. Or items can be donated to Goodwill or a local thrift shop for someone else to enjoy. Your junk is someone else's treasure, right? On the topic of selling items, this can be a great way for you to build up a little savings, either to cover your deductibles or build up an emergency savings, which we covered in episode 21 about protections. Sell several items, and you'd be surprised at how quickly you can build up a little savings in a short amount of time. Another benefit to this mindset, you will find yourself buying less stuff and aligning your spending with your values and what makes you happy. See episode 11 for more on that. This will continue to help you control your spending and allow you to save more. And saving is the pillar of growing wealth. One final thought. Maybe your home isn't the only thing in your life needing a little tidying up. If your finances could use a little decluttering and simplifying, reach out to me and we can talk about how I can help you. Thanks for joining me today, Giselle. I think she's still mad at me for taking video of her. Oh well. I hope you learned something that you can take action on today. If you like the content, please hit the red subscribe button and the thumbs up like button. If you know someone who could benefit from the content, please share. Take care.